Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn about how to create a proctored assessment. Proctored assessments ensure academic integrity by monitoring test takers, fostering a fair and secure environment for evaluating knowledge and skills. Having an assessment proctored adds an extra line of security and transparency. Students attempting proctored assessment are less likely to be involved in malpractices, and proctors can easily assess the behavior of the students and point at any object of suspicion by monitoring the video. To create a proctored assessment, first of all click on the Assessment tab from this top panel. Now, choose the assessment you wish to edit. Click on Settings from the menu on the left-hand side. Now go to the Access and Type section. In Delivery Mode, select Proctored. Lastly, click on Save and Next. And the proctored assessment will be created. Thank you for watching and learning. We will see you in the next lesson.